Saturday, friends. I am excited because today I get to share with you guys my second completed Pandora bracelet, and this is the one with the fairy tale theme. So this is on a 7.9 snake chain barrel clasp bracelet. Follow the advice of Charms Addict on YouTube. She has a blog on all things Pandora charm. She had said that if you are doing a Pandora bracelet, put a clip on one end like this one, and on the other side you can put an open works like this, picking daisies, so you won't really need a safety chain. In that way also you can create some more room for your bracelet. But I think I'm done with this one. I'm not gonna add any more. All right, so let's just get through this. The first one is this Lazy Daisy clip, and then the second one is Butterfly Kisses, and this is the sort of maroon pinkish color. And as you could see, I had 4 of them just to balance the look. I couldn't find any other Murano glass bead that would really match and balance the color of the bracelet. Then I also have a second Picking Daisy open works right here. And then the first dangle on this bracelet is this Noble Splendor Royal Crown. And I also have a teddy bear to represent Goldilocks and the 3 bears. And then of course this royal crown was transferred from my first bracelet. And then this is the Pixie. This is the one where she is sitting down and she's holding a heart, and the heart is in gold. In the back looks like this with her wings. And then you guys saw the clip. This one is called the Dogwood clip with Pink CZ in the middle. And then the second Butterfly Kisses Murano glass bead. Then I finally got the Royal Carriage, and you could see Cinderella in there. There is a gold crown on top and also a pearl on top of it. Ballerina with clear CZs on her tutu. This reminds me of the Sugar Plum Fairies in the story The Nutcracker. The Happily Ever After castle. And this one right here is a couple dancing, and it's called The First Dance. Then the third Butterfly Kisses Murano glass bead right here. The second Dogwood clip. This one is the fairy tale book. Of course, you have to have the book. The Love Takes Flight butterfly that I transferred from the other bracelet. The heart floral padlock. And this one is called King of the Jungle. It reminds me of Aslan in Chronicles of Narnia. Of course, the fairy tale girl that I've had. Then the fourth Butterfly Kisses Murano glass bead, and finishing the bracelet with the second Picking Daisy. That's it for my Pandora fairy tale theme bracelet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.